All right, Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity. Welcome to the moment. So what's for dinner? And for dinner is the Meals for Longevity. That's the new modern Mediterranean diet. Very easy, just a couple of minutes to show you an example of what I'm cooking tonight for the testing. And you can help me because the judges are here. So let me introduce the menu. We're gonna start with a ciabatta bread. Let's go ahead and put this in the oven. I'm gonna have 2 people over. So these are 4 slices, 25 grams each. And we're gonna make it crispy again, 12 minutes, and we'll do that. So we're gonna do some dipping sauce over here. Then let's go ahead and turn this. This is a vegetable soup with cauliflower, zucchini, tomatoes, and it's very simple. It's one of the recipes you'll find on Meals for Longevity, and it's served in a chicken broth. So that's our appetizer. Then as entree, I'm gonna do chicken scallopini. We have lemon and capers. I have some onions, extra virgin olive oil. I have some sage, salt, chicken broth. And I'm gonna serve it with a side of pasta, 80 grams for 2 people, and 150 grams of cauliflower. They're already blanched, and I'm gonna saute very quick with some garlic. And then over this is cool enough. I cannot flip it, but I have an upside down pineapple cake. So this is an example of the recipes that you'll find on mealsforlongevity.com. My name is Chef Giuseppe Urbano. Subscribe over here. Subscribe on my website, mealsforlongevity.com, on the newsletter, because slowly I'm starting to publish. With the new year, we can all start the new modern Mediterranean diet so we can eat healthy and we can have a nice long life. Ciao!